Hello learners, welcome to the Ultimate Python course. So in this video we will go through about sets, the data structure of Python. So sets in Python are used to store multiple items in a single variable. They provide an efficient way to handle collections of unique elements. Let's see what is the characteristics of sets. Sets are unordered and unindexed collections. They are mutable, meaning you can add or remove items. Sets do not allow duplicates values. They are defined using curly braces or the set constructor. Once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can remove items and also add new items. Sets cannot have two items with the same value. To determine how many set items a set has, we use the len function. Set items can be of any data type. A set contains different data types. It is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. So example like this, animals, this is a set. We are using a curly braces and we are putting items into it. Now let's see how to create a set using both the method curly braces and the set constructor. So using curly braces, you just define a variable and then use the curly braces and then you put the item's name in it. I have using string, so I will keep in uh, like a string, lion, zebra, monkey, tiger, bear, and we will be printing animals. Next we are using the set constructor. So using the set constructor, what I did, I put a list inside it. So this list will get converted into a set, and when you will print, let me just clear all the outputs. Okay, so when you will print it, yes, see, animals and then numbers, so they both are printed in curly braces. Why? Because they both are set. You can even check types of this. Suppose I want to print what is the type of variable animal, so it will tell you what it is. So let's see. Now see, the animal variable, it is coming in the set. It is the type of class set. Same we can check for numbers, as we have passed here in the set constructor, we have passed a list. So what the set constructor is doing, it is converting this list into set. You can check the type of it. Okay, so see, it is again, it is showing the type of the number is what? Set. It's belonging into class set. Now let's see the more operation on set. So Python provide several useful operations for set. First we will see how to add elements. To add elements, we will first take the set variable name and then we will use the add function dot add, and whatever elements you want to add, you can give inside the braces. So let's see, print it. Here it is showing it has added the elephant. Now let's see the next one, how to remove elements. So as you can see, we have multiple elements here. So I will be removing zebra and tiger. So there are two methods you can use to remove elements from set. One is dot remove and another is dot discard. So first we will be using animals dot remove zebra and the second animals dot discard tiger. So when you will run this, it will remove both zebra and tiger, and now we have only the 4 elements left with inside. Now next we can use union. So this is very popular method in set. In interview also they'll ask you to use union and intersection. So generally we do apply using set. because set does not contain the duplicate items. So combining elements from multiple sets, so this is what union. So set 1 we have 1 2 3, and set 2 we have 3 4 5. Now when you will union set, it will give like what we can use dot union. So dot union is a function you can apply. So first we will be taking first set and then dot union, and inside that union function you can write the another set. So let's see how now what we have in the union set. It should be all the elements. So yes, we have all the elements 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's see how to perform intersection in set. So that is also very similar to union. We have one function dot intersection, and same we will be taking the first set and we will be applying dot intersection, and then inside the function you need to write the another set. That is set 2 I wrote. Let's see. But as you can see, we don't have any common number in both the function. So set 1 has 1 2 3, set 2 has 3 4 5. So it should be okay. 3 is the common number, so 3 came. Now next we have difference. So finds elements unique to a set. So what we will be doing, we have dot difference function, and this is also very similar to union and intersection. We will take the first set and we'll apply dot difference function, and inside that function we will write the another set. So let's see what we will be getting. What it happens from first set, it will minus the second set. So from first set we have 1 2 3, and the next we have 3 4 5. So it will remove only 3 from the first set because that is the common element, and the whatever rest will get left in the first set, it will return you that value, that is 1 and 2. Now next we will see how to access items of a set. So you cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or a key, but we can loop through the set items using a for loop, or ask if a specified value is present in a set or not. So as we have already seen, we have it is a membership operator. We can check whether it is present in that particular set or not. So suppose I have taken here my set, and we have few values here: ABC, false, 39, 87.9. Now let's see whatever it is present in that or not. So for x in my set, print x. So it is saying what? Whatever value it will be, x is nothing but I'm just taking a temporary variable, and I will be looping it on each element of set. So we will be checking whether that like whatever is present it will show. So it has shown false, ABC, it is all the elements it has shown. Now add items in set. Once a set is created, we cannot change its items, but we can add few items and also we can remove. Too simple. To add items we will use add method. So we will be taking the set name and we will be applying dot add function, and whatever items you want to add, you need to pass the parameter inside that function. Giraffe I want to add, so I have given giraffe, and then when I print the next, it will have giraffe. We can also add by using update function. So here I have another fruits set. Now what I want to apply the dot update function. So I want to add another set here, and in the animal set I want to add fruits. So that now animal set will also have the values fruits. So when we will be printing animals, it will show the extended part. So it has also added this, but it will not change the set of fruits. The fruits will be as it is, because we have applied the dot update on the animal set, not on the fruits. So fruits will be as it is. Yes. Now next we will see how to remove items from set. So for that we will be using dot discard method. Now here I want to remove giraffe from animal. So it will remove whatever item you want to remove, you just put inside the discard function and it will remove that. Now let's see if the item to remove does not exist. So discard will not raise an error. Okay, you can also use pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove the last item. So because sets are unordered, so we'll not what item to get removed, so it will remove the last item, the pop method. So here I am applying dot pop on animals, so whatever is the last, that is bear right now. So okay, so yes, as sets are unordered, so when using the pop method, you do not know which item gets removed because it is unordered, and in which order it is saved in the memory we don't know. So that's why it is like that. X is equal to animals dot pop. So we have applied dot pop method on animals, and then we are printing what is that item that it removed. So it is showing you the line. Now next we have the clear method which will empty the entire set. So let's see. So see, now we have empty set when we print fruits, because we have cleared the fruit set, so there is no element right now, so it is showing an empty set. And now next we have del keyword. So using del keyword we entirely delete the set. So when you will be applying delete keyword, del keyword on any of the set, it will not only empty, it will remove the that variable name. So when you will run this, it will give you error because it is not anymore present in the memory. Now next we have joins. So there are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. We can use the union method that returns a new set containing all items from both the sets, or we can use the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. Uh, as we have already seen, union method returns a new set with all items from both sets, and update method insert the item from one set to another. Now both union and update will exclude any duplicate items. As I have already told you, that set is what? Unordered, and it does not contain any duplicates value. So here we have set 1 and set 2. When we will apply union and update, let's see what it is giving. So in union, it is returning new set, and in update, it will update one of the set. Okay. So Python sets are very powerful data structure useful for storing unique items and performing operations like union, intersection, and difference efficiently. They are widely used in applications requiring fast membership test and duplicate elimination. So this was the tutorial for set. Next we will be learning about dictionaries in Python. So I hope you like this video. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.